For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 3, Stellenbosch FC 1. Kaizer Chiefs are through to the semi-finals as the Nedbank Cup yearly season 2024-2025. Controversially so, but as Katali were in the semi-finals. But on a jive, zininzi police station la eJoburg. Ngaya khona fika vula icase athi hayi linesman wenze sona so. But Bobzit, Amakhosi are through to the semi-finals mfowethu. No, kuziva njani? We had a long day. Yakosilapha mini yonke. Sisindile futhi because we should be watching another game. iSundowns abakithi isikhukhune. Thank you so much to abantu base Lucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium ngobhukisha iteam ezimbini for ibayile 1. Now we find ourselves going home at 10. Otherwise besaphuma pha ngo12 mhlobam. But ke Chiefs are through to the semi-finals. Molo bobo kunjani mfowethu?
Right chain.
Yeah.
Uthini utso?
Mr. Tsoenso.
Khosi for life.
Mr. Tsoenso. Mr. Tsoenso.
Bafowethu, mina ngishilo ngathi mina ningayisukeli nyoka emgodini wayo. Yabona Amakhosi azithulele wahlupha umuntu. Sondlukune wahlokoloza. Azophuma nemaphuma, ayophuma efinalini angazi nizoyenza njani. Njoba nimile nje nithu kanje.
Alright. Kwangathi iChiefs izohlangana nePirates kusemifinal. Uthi kuyowina ubani so?
No ngeke yenzakala lento le. Sengilungisile. iPirates odlala neSundowns kusemifinal. And then iChiefs angazi uhlangana nobani ngapha kodwa iChiefs efinalini. So iPirates neSundowns bazobona ukuthi basebenza nje.
Uyibala kanjani iSundowns isengakadlala ama quarter finals? Sikhuluma ngamaqembu kusemifinal right now.
Yazi iSundowns Shane. iSundowns iclub enkulu eAfrica.
Yeah.
Le club enkulu eAfrica amathuba wayo kuya kusemifinal maningi. That's why sengifakile already. Angeke ngimatch angimele idlale nesikhukhuni. So ngeke ngimatch nesikhukhuni. I mean uzofuna ngibala ama players manje abo Ribeiro abo Allende abomkhwena angifuna ukuya la.
Akusi club enkulu is the best team.
Iclub enkulu eAfrica. And then la South Africa.
Yeah.
Kune club enkulu.
Yeah.
Kune club endala.
Yeah.
Kune club enemali.
So which team is the best team? South Africa.
The best team. Or the best team is the best team. Iledlala good football. That is Sundowns. Then there's a good team. And the team enkulu where yazi momdala uba nabantwana. So kunalo team le nabantwana and kuba nale team le.
Mr. Tso, uthixesha leli. Bye. Bobzin, ngiyasichazela mfethu.
Uyamuzwa Tso, ngicala ukubathuka labantu mase bafika kuma semi-final. Bengingacabanga ukuthi bazofika. Manje ngicala ukubathuka manje mase bafika kuma semi-final. Uyamuzwa Tso uthini?
Hey.
Uyazini sayibongisa iKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs Shane. Ukuthi bafike kuma semi-finals. The coach Nabi, the technical team and the players. So siyababongisa kakhulu ukuthi bafike lapha. So Shane, ngizocala ngeStellenbosch man. Stellenbosch ngiyacabanga ukuthi ba release abadlali kwamanye ama position abazange baba nama replacement. iStellenbosch team engithembayo ku development. I know bane development right. Banabo abadlali kuleya team. But mawungabheka kunama position engibona ngathi mhlawumbe abazange
Kasicacile Bobzin, like which position and which player do you feel ukuthi abakayi replace up until namhlanje?
For me ukuhamba kwaFan Rooyen abanayi right back. Ukuhamba komdlalo ofana noAdams.
Yeah.
Abasangakanayo umdlalo abanayo umdlalo ocontroller le midfield njengo Jayden. Okay ngiyavuma kumdlalo ofana noReynolds banayi replacement umjela. Unfortunately umjela uinjured. But uyabona bayalekha ku finishing. Yes uTitus is scoring but basalekha lapha kule attack yabo up front because mawungabheka sometimes ba assist umdlalo ofana noDe Jong and I don't expect uDe Jong ukuthi bekungaba lo mdlali atholakala lapha kuleya ndawo. So ngibonile namhlanje Shane ngicale ngoTore yazi abothore bazokuxaka sometimes ezinye izinto. Okay, ngiyacabanga ukuthi omunye umuntu angathi lela bhola if uthore beyangalibambanga ulilepo bekumele alivalele nethini. As you know ukuthi ulilepo ugood kuma areas ball ngike ngambona score amabhola amaningi lapha but awuyibambi ibhola ngale yandlela ubonile umloyisana ukuthi attack ngenye indlela manje.
So furious. Yazi bobo ndingaqhawulanga mfethu. Was that a clear goal scoring opportunity? For me, no. It's still early in the first half for you to baby ball. I mean, you referee no a red card for last situation, but he wasn't booked. I'm not sure why he wasn't. Because if you remember, incident yake where Serino,
yes.
That was a straight red,
Straight
but
red.
ufumana yellow, meaning that kangabhukwe kuleya yabamba ibhola ngesandla, because if ebhukiwe afumana yellow card he would have walked. So I think he was the only player who had 9 lives namhlanje uTore.
Yeah. Ngiyavuma Shane. Angithanda ukukhuluma ngala decision yabo referee ngihlala ngikutshela but mawungabheka mina I think it was a chance kuleya bhola leya ya kuTore but linda ulilepo mhlamba ngayiheader bayisave or iphumele phezulu amabhala unlike ukuthi uzoyibamba ngesandla. So ukukhuluma ngama decision yabo referee singakhuluma kuze kuse nginokukutshela Shane angithandi but mawungabheka ube nenhlanhla uTore because lapha ngiyacabanga ukuthi yellow card plus penalty. So kuleya ka Serino it's a straight red. Ufuna ukuba honest nje awuyenzi into efana nale it's a straight red. So yena ube nenhlanhla so ungabheka ube nama mistake amaningi mana uTore lapha kuleya central udlala kahle nomdlalo ofana nomloyisana. Bano Basading ngale ku left sibonile uBasading adlala kahle kakhulu Shane size ku midfield yabo but they are right back ngisakhuluma namanje kule right back banenkinga nale right back yabo because bengibona uNduli noKhiba badlale bekathi bebaya 50-50 nale midfield yeKaizer Chiefs. Since welwazi ukuthi umdlalo ufana nocele usebenza overtime. Yes simbonile uNgcobo anayi namhlanje but ucela usebenze overtime. That is why ngibone uKhiba naye uNduli kubonakala ngathi baya 50-50 kule midfield ukuya phambili abanayo creativity Shane. If uTitus abamnikeze lesa space ukuthi arane alethe lawo ma cross bona ukuthi kuyenzakalani abanayo kuya phambili iStellenbosch manje siyalekha kakhulu Shane. So kuyoba nzima kakhulu because njengoba ngikutshela ngithi i-game siwina in the middle Shane. I-game siwina in the middle ku midfield. So if siya builder as create ama scoring opportunity kusho kona ukuthi angeke sibone finishing bekunganawo lawo bekangekho lawo ma clear chances today bekunama half chance mawungathi uyabheka ingaba ileyo nale mhlambe uyibonile kuyi clear chance but kaningi benganaso Stellenbosch I creativity going forward up until la khona sibona baletha abadlali abafana nabo Japa umdlalo ofana no ubani usanele uBants no Diong ila khona ngibone iStellenbosch sizama ukuthi sifuna ukucreate abaletha umdlali ongale ku left ulangelihle phili umdlali ohluphayo kakhulu umdlali uskillful kakhulu simbonile afika ulangelihle azama ukuhlanganisa ama passes nale midfield yeStellenbosch. So mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi mani basalekha lapha nalapha team efana neStellenbosch but for iKaizer Chiefs I think iKaizer Chiefs we are learning Tina and Orlando Pirates how to beat Stellenbosch 3 times
in one season.
One. It's a difficult opponent layer Stellenbosch. It's the toughest one ukuthi ungadlala neStellenbosch but the Chiefs kuba lula for bona ukupita iStellenbosch.
As Chiefs I feel like this season yes they played Nedbank Cup last 32 playing against teams from the lower division but I feel ukuthi yazi xa bezodlala neStellenbosch it feels like they know ukuthi okay it's a matter of how many. I don't understand ukuthi yenzeka kanjani but for Kaizer Chiefs it's happening because how is it possible ukuthi Stellenbosch they will give such a gallant fight against Pirates, they will fight against Sundowns, but when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs I'm not saying they're not fighting but it seems like Kaizer Chiefs always finds it very easy to beat Stellenbosch.
Shane uma ungabheka iChiefs this season iwina la ungacabanga ukuthi izowina khona la kumele iwine khona ayiwini. Bheka igame yayo ne-Orlando Pirates yadlala kamnandi kanjani. Bheka igame yayo ne-Mamelodi Sundowns, even though abanye abantu bangayibonanga kuyigame engathi Chiefs idlalile, but concede 1 goal against Mamelodi Sundowns ngibone idlale kahle. So uyabona ukuthi kunama-game la ucabanga ukuthi Chiefs ingaluza khona ayiluzi. So I think uyakhona ucoach ukuplanela lawo maqembu uma ungabheka ucoach Nabi. Lawo ngitshela ukuthi adlala kahle kakhulu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kulula for yena ukuthi adile ngalawo maqembu uyabona. So uma ngithi ngiyayibheka the way badlale ngakhona Shane. Asinikeze umdlalo ofana noDove icredit. Ukubuya kwaDove lapha kuleya defense Kaizer Chiefs kubanikeza ibalance guys, kubanikeza ibalance. Khumbula ukuthi uCross bekana ama mistake awenzayo. So into ayenzayo lapha uDove it's a primary job. Wenza umsebenzi akumele wenza. Akana inkinga nokuthi kumele ngiattack. Ilama left back eswazi ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ukumarka bathatha ibhola abanikeza ama midfield. So I think kubanikeza ibalance lapho kubuya kwakhe uDove kuleya left back Kaizer Chiefs. Sibonile ne center back yabo today benamaphutha amancane man mangathi uyabheka badlale kahle kakhulu abadlali abafana nabo Miguel ucaptain wabo. I think badlale kahle kakhulu noCele ngiyacabanga man yazi uCele Shane uma bangashesha bamtholele umdlali alright ozokhona ukuphera noCele. Ngiyacabanga ne pressure izakwehla kuCele nama bookings ama injuries angahla ngam attack umdlalo ofana noCele because manje usebenza overtime usebenza njenge wiper kwabona iwiper imvuluma ina kakhulu kumele azo overtake abanye abadlali. When Chiefs attack kumele abe khona uCele, if kune build up uCele kumele ahambe. Yes umsebenzi wakhe uqashelwe ku Kaizer Chiefs but udlala nabo bani ilento engishoyo ngithi sometimes kumele sazi ukuthi mangabe sidlala nge double pivot sonke siyathesha uyangithola but masiyonikezwa uCele lo msebenzi ongaka uzo end up naye kufika la khathala khona any pressure izoba kuye. So give credit kubadlala abafana noCele no Sirino beyangekho bad kakhulu today but umdlalo ofana no Modi I don't know mhlambe ukuthi unaleso speed uyakhona ukufika but final third man uModi samshaya ngiyacabanga ucoach kumele adile ngayo lapha angiba blame man ukuthi ngathi sengihlalele abadlali ngama mistake wabo kuningi abakwenzayo sibabonayo but mangabe bayenza ama mistakes sometimes izokusho bheka umdlalo ofana noLilepo uLilepo uyavela uzovela ngegoal uvela ngegoal sometimes you understand. So but for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi going forward bazokulungisa into efana nale but siyababongela kakhulu Shane ukuthi bakhona ukungena ku semi-finals.
Ngicela just before sivale ungu-coach Steve Barker. You've lost against Kaizer Chiefs 2 times already this season. 3 times.
Yeah, league home and away plus this one.
No. I'm saying before this game, he had already lost two games against the Kaizer Chiefs. Now you're playing an important quarterfinal game against Kaizer Chiefs. It's a one-off game. If you're out, you're out. You leave Upili, who has been one of your best players this season. You live with Dion ngaphandle. Who else was also Ubans, Sanele Bans, umshiya ngaphandle. What do you think was his game plan kahle kahle Steve Barker coming into this game?
Ngiyacabanga uma singaya kulama game abuya kuwo labadlali bayake bacala against the Kaizer Chiefs. You know sometimes kunalento analyze the opponent. So nako lokho mhlambe kumenze ukuthi achange le line up because bayake bacala kulawa ama game awaluzile against Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe manje khona lokho akubonile yena ukuthi no man ithi mhlambe ngiba rest mhlambe abangena bazonginikeza something njengoba sibabonile bafika manje beze bazo equalize laba abadlali uyangithola. So ngamnikeza sometimes leyo 50% yokuthi maybe bekacabanga ukuthi labadlali aqale ngabo bangenza lo msebenzi so then bafike baqedelela abadlali abafana nabo Dion. So yeah ngayibeka lapho Shane indaba ya coach Barker ukuthi kulabo badlali ngiyacabanga bekayenzele lento efana naleyo because abaqala ukudlala neChiefs baku first lineup bake baba khona uyangithola. So enye into ezoba indida ilento yama decision nabo referee like yona lento esibona lapha you know Shane ezinye zezinto banelungelo lokucommunicate abo referee lineman and fourth official banalo lelo lungelo ukuthi mangabe ikhona ifoul ekhona uyaya ayo checka kahle ukuthi mfethu uyibone kahle lento na njengoba simbonile aphakamisa iflag yena a combi direction yokuthi Stellenbosch but kokuqala kumele ubuze ukuthi uboneni ukuze aphakamisa le flag why I change it you understand but mina angikho lapho kuma decision kakhulu Shane yalabo referee. So let's give credit ku Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba win nga 3-1 kule game against Stellenbosch.
Yeah, that's it. It's Kaizer Chiefs 3 Stellenbosch FC 1. Kaizer Chiefs are through to the semi-finals of the Nedbank Cup. Ignacio Miguel Pulemodi scoring for Kaizer Chiefs and
Mfundo
also
Vilakazi.
Mfundo Vilakazi, while Udi Young scored a header for Stellenbosch. But it wasn't enough for Stellenbosch. They will have to try again next season. But for Kaizer Chiefs, they are through to the semi-finals of the Nedbank Cup for the season 2024-2025. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Thank you.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Ola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Diski TV.